Good day, good day. This your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, and I'm back at it again with today's video. And today's video is titled, Becoming Piss Poor. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. When you saw the title in the description, you probably thought to yourself, who wants to become piss poor? That's not a positive thing. I don't want to be poor. I don't want to be broke. I don't want to be lacking. So what I did was, before I fully explain what I mean by becoming piss poor, I went and found a definition of the word poor. Now, just to sum it up, poor means lacking money to live comfortably. And that's based on society's standards. So when you're basing things off of another standard, that's basically a perception that's shared by the overall community. So let's say, for example, the average person in the neighborhood makes $100,000 a month. Then somebody who's poor in that community would possibly be the person that makes $50,000 a month or whatever have you. So in regular standards, everyday people, $50,000 a month, that's somebody that's rich. Where I'm from, that's somebody that's rich. But depending on society's standards and their perception, that could be looked at as poor. Now, what I mean by piss poor is these three things that I went over in previous videos. The three biggest threats to the entrepreneur: the P, procrastination; I, indecisiveness; and the S, skepticism. I want you to be poor in these three categories. That's what I mean by being piss poor. Now, I'm going to use that term a lot going forward in different videos. So I want you to get used to that concept and that idea. And I want to basically rewire your thinking in the way that you look at that phrase. It's not a misspell. I know the negative term is spelled with an extra S, but we're trying to bring positive information and positive enlightenment and things that can actually help you build to become a better person and increase your financial worth and increase your overall wealth, mental and financial. So once again, you can see I have Success Mountain over here, and I'm gonna stand back as usual because I want you guys to take a screenshot so that you can have this and be able to reflect back on the picture if you ever need to share it again. And I also want to, just take a moment to invite you all to like, share this video, share it with your friends and family, comment below about what you think about the video. See, now I'm going through a little growth here. I'm starting to get a little more used to making videos and posting more on Facebook. So I'm starting to ask for, those special things. So posting here on Facebook and wherever you might find my video on YouTube also. But the gist of this is, once again, I want to help rewire your thinking. I want to help you change the concept of being piss poor to a positive concept, which it really is. Because in order to become successful, you have to become piss poor first. And what I mean by that is, I don't know of any individual who's become financially wealthy or wealthy in any sense of the word, mentally, emotionally, relationship-wise, without being poor in these three categories. This is the basis of one of the secrets to success that I've come across and I've been taught and I've learned. Anybody that's become successful and rich, they weren't a procrastinator. Or if they were, they changed that habit and they got rid of the procrastination. They also got rid of the indecisiveness. And then they also got rid of the skepticism. So once again, I want you guys to get this concept into your mind and rewire it to be more of a positive reflection. So hopefully at this point, you guys will want to become piss poor along with me, because when I decided to become piss poor, new doors started to open for me. I was able to make different adjustments in my life. I was able to leave my job. I was able to go full time, be an entrepreneur. I was able to help other individuals who would like to become entrepreneurs and earn a residual income from home. And hopefully I'll be able to help you guys also. But the one thing that I've learned, the main key to success, which is something that I rarely hear anybody talk about, is actually rewiring your mentality, your mindset. Everybody wants to teach you about, once again, how to do something. But if you don't have the proper mindset, you can go to school and learn and get a degree, a doctorate's degree. And if you don't have the proper mindset, that degree will go to waste. So once again, this is your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines. And I was so excited to make this video. I was going to put it off, but I just happened to be asleep last night, and the thought came to my mind about this concept of being piss poor. Now, when I first started doing the videos on the biggest threats to an entrepreneur, I didn't think of that. I didn't see those letters in my vision. So once again, I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I look forward to helping you become piss poor, and make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And I look forward to speaking with you guys later.
We got us one wrong. Already. This is that motivation right here. Yes, sir. You know, the people need that motivation. Tenfold. Everybody going through something, you know what I mean? Already. The system won't keep you down. Oh, this that motivation. Oh, keep your head up. Never should you give up, man. I know we going through this that motivation. No lies on your mind. Get hard from time to time. Keep grinding, one day you'll shine. That motivation.